video on how to make up the aluminium table frame. So within the box you would have the 4 legs, you have the frame itself, and you have the bolts. All you need is a size A, which is a standard Allen key, to make it up. So within the legs you have a plastic insert, and you can see the 2 receivers. So line those up with the holes on the frame. Just pop a bolt in, finger tighten. Same again, so 2 bolts to each leg. Once you finger tighten, you can use the Allen key just to make sure, nice and slow. And then repeat with the other 4 legs. The important bit is, on 2 of the legs you will have the adjustable feet, just making sure they're at opposite ends of the table for maximum stability.